Now adding a third massive RICO case on the court docket right now. Prosecutors are working to try former President Donald Trump and 18 of his co-defendants who are accused of election interference here in Georgia. And then there's the ongoing case against rapper Young Thug and other alleged members of the YSL gang. And now they have announced they are going after more than 60 people accused of illegal organized efforts to stop the construction of the new Atlanta Public Safety Training Center. And tonight, we're hearing from Georgia's Attorney General just hours after getting our hands on that indictment.
11 Alive's Brittany Kleinpeter has more on the charges and what's next for the case.
Attorney General Chris Carr stood alongside officials with APD, the GBI, and other law enforcement partners as he explained what was in that sweeping indictment, telling us this has been a long time coming.
As I've said for months, the state of Georgia would not tolerate the repeated acts of violence and destruction that have occurred in an attempt to stop the construction of the Atlanta Public Safety Training Center. I vowed as Attorney General to hold accountable those responsible for those actions.
According to the indictment handed down by the Fulton County grand jury last Tuesday, 61 people are being charged with violating the state's Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO Act. Some are also facing domestic terrorism and arson charges. The indictment also calls the opposition movement, known as the Defend the Atlanta Forest Group, militant anarchists. Activists say it's going to take more than the latest indictment to stop their cause.
The fact that all the charges against people in terms of domestic terrorism, the actual killing of an activist and organizer in the forest has not stopped this movement. I think this has the city, the county, and the state continually running scared. And so I think the focus needs to be put on why is city, state, and again, county resources being used to criminalize a movement as opposed to understanding that we don't want Cop City built.
Opponents have been working to gather signatures for weeks now as a part of the Vote to Stop Cop City referendum petition. The Stop Cop City Coalition releasing a statement just hours ago saying they believe the AG's charges are meant to intimidate protesters and legal observers. Governor Brian Kemp just released a statement to us in the last few hours commending the efforts of Attorney General Carr, saying that Georgians remain his top priority.